चैत्र महोदय आरम्भं करोतु कृपया।
अस्तु महोदय। ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
धन्यवादः महोदय। अस्तु, let us start the class. Let me share my screen. Yes, great. So today we have a small sambhashana that Kavita Mahodaya wrote. Manjula Mahodaya and Ranjani Mahodaya. Manjula Mahodaya and Ranjani Mahodaya are going to present it. And then Kavita Mahodaya also has a small essay type of thing. So we will get to that, both of them towards the end of the class, because I don't see Ranjani Mahodaya here. Astu, let us start with our class. So far, can everybody see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So like before, let us start with two Subhashitas. First one, Shaile Shaile. Okay, actually Sandeep Mahodaya, Krupaya Pathatu, please read this.
So did you say I should read? Sorry, I didn't hear.
Yes, yes, Sandeep Mahodaya, please read.
Okay. Shaile Shaile na manikayam mautikam na gaje gaje sajjana na hi sarvatra chandanam na vane vane.
Uttamam, uttamam. Shaile Shaile na manikyam mautikam na gaje gaje sajjana hi sarvatra chandanam na vane vane. Shaile, Shaile. We have seen Shaile, this type of word before. What does it mean, Sandeep Mahodaya?
Shaile means in
or
at.
On, at. So, Shaila means a mountain. Shaile is on a mountain. Na, Manikyam. Manikyam is a
precious stone or something.
Precious stone. Uttamam.
So not every mountain has a precious stone.
Uttamam. Not every mountain has a precious stone. Gaje gaje.
Gaje. On the elephant.
On the elephant or in the elephant. Na mautikam.
Mautikam. I don't know what that means.
Pearls.
Pearl. Hemanti Mahodaya. Right.
Acha, yes. Moti.
So the elephant is supposed to have a pearl-like thing behind its tusk. Only some elephants have it. So not all mountains will have gemstones. Not all elephants will have pearls. Anantaram.
Nahi sarvatra. Not everyone is a sajjan, good person.
Not everyone. Sarvatra.
Sarvatra.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. Acha.
Sarvatra. Sajjanahi sarvatra. Not everywhere you will find a sajjana.
Not every forest you will find chandan.
What is Chandanam?
The Chandan, the sandalwood.
Uttamam, Uttamam. So altogether, what is the meaning of the Subhashitam, Sandeep Mahodaya?
Not every mountain has pearls or precious stones. Not every elephant has a moti or a pearl. Not everywhere we find a good person, and not in every forest we will find sandalwood.
Uttamam. So that means if you find a good person, treat it equivalent to a Manikyam or a Mauptikam or Chandanam, something very precious, because they are rare.
Good things are rare.
Good things are rare. More specifically, good people are rare.
Good people are rare.
Very nice. Any questions about this? You are all doing this by yourselves. You don't need me anymore. Good. Usha Mahodaya. Please read this.
Krodho Vaivasvatho Raja. Trishna Vaitarani Nadi. Vidya Kamaduga Denuhu. Santosham Nandanam Vanam.
Uttamam. Krodho Vaivasvato Raja. Trishna Vaitarini Nadi. Vidya Kamadugha Dhenuhu. Santosham Nandanam Vanam. So Krodho is Krodha. Because of Sandhi, it became Krodho. Krodha Vaivasvata Raja. Does anybody know who's the Raja of Vaivasvata? Who's Vaivasvata Raja?
Vivaswan.
Vivaswan is son.
Rama.
Yama.
Yama, okay.
Vaivasvatam is Yamaloka. So Yamaloka's Raja. So Krodha. So anger is equivalent to Yamadharmaraja. Trishna. What is Trishna? Does anybody know?
Desire, longing.
Desire, longing, desire. It's actually much more powerful. A kind of desperation kind of a thing. Vaitarini.
Vaitarini is river, name of river.
More specifically?
Somewhere in some land.
So after we die, if we don't lead a good life, if our karmas are not good, we are supposedly going to cross the Vaitarini Nadi to go to Yamaloka. So a deep desire, a desperation, a longing is equivalent to Vaitarini Nadi. So anger is equivalent to Yama. Deep desire is equivalent to Vaitarini Nadi. Vidya Kamadruga Dhenuhu. Let's start with the easy word. Vidya.
Knowledge.
Dhenuhu.
Wish fulfilling cow.
Uttamam. Kamadugha is wish fulfilling cow. Uttamam. So knowledge is equivalent to a cow that gives whatever we desire. Santosham. What is Santosham?
Happiness.
Happiness. Vanam.
Forest.
Nandanam. What is Nandana?
Joyful.
That is one meaning. In this specific context, Nandana Vanam. Has anybody heard of Nandana Vanam?
Indra's place.
It's a beautiful
Udyanam,
a forest in Indra's kingdom. So, if we are happy, it's equivalent to being in Indra's Nandanavanam. So, being angry is equivalent to being, anger is equivalent to Yama. Desperation or deep desire is equivalent to Vaitarani Nadi. Vidya is equivalent to a cow that gives what we desire, and happiness is equivalent to Nandanamna.
The Kamaduda is that Vasistha story we get. Vasistha.
Right. We will cover that when we start the Parichaya Pravesha book. Astu. Any questions about this? Uttama.
Mahadev, the second line, can you please explain again?
Vidya Kamadugha Dhenuhu. So Vidya is equivalent to a cow that gives what we desire.
Okay.
Santosham Nandanam Vanam. So happiness is equivalent to being in Nandanam Vanam.
Okay. Dhanyavad, Mahadev.
Astu. Any other questions?
So, I mean, basically, in this instance, you're just explaining what there's no like moral behind it, right? It's just what is equal to what?
No. So the moral is what? So don't be angry. Don't have a deep, desperate desire for something. So that's what we learn in Vedanta, right? So learn what you go after and what you don't go after. Don't Trishna is an unfulfilled, unquenchable desire. And invest in Vidya so that you can get all your wishes fulfilled, and be happy so that you feel like you are in Indra's garden. That's the model.
Okay. So in all Subhashitams, we have to write the morals, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I could not hear you. There was some noise. Please ask again.
No, I said when you ask us to write about the Subhashitams, we are expected to write the moral, not the literal meaning, right?
Correct.
Thank you.
In this one, there is no Kriya Padam, right? So it's the is the Kriya Padam, Astu or Asti, we assume that.
Correct. Asti is the implied Kriya.
So when Kriya Padam is not there, we'll assume it is or Astu.
Mostly it is Asti or Bhavati.
Okay.
Or if it's a Bhuvachana, Santi, Bhavanti. Shall we go ahead?
Yeah.
Okay. So today, let us look at a new topic that helps us do Agnya and Prarthana. So a command or request. So far, the different types of the Kriya that we learned is Vartamana Kala. Something that happens. Khadami, Saha Khadati, Likhati, Pathati, Pathami, Bhavami, something like that. Those are all that are happening right now. Today, let us look at Kriya Padam that helps us convey what you want the other person to do. So even in English, if I want, let us say, Sandeep Mahodaya to read the first slide, I will say, Sandeep Mahodaya, read the first slide. Or I will say, please read the first slide, something like that. So Agnya, do it. Prarthana, please do it. So that is the type of action that we are going to learn today. But before that, let us look at, review a couple of things and learn 2 new words. We know Bhavan. We learned it in the 3rd or 4th class. Vijay Meenan Mahodaya, Bhavan is?
For gentlemen.
So one sentence using Bhavan?
Bhavan Nama Kim.
Bhavataha Nama Kim.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
Bhavan Kaha. We had one example. Bhavan Kaha. Who are you?
Oh, Bhavan Kaha. Okay. Sorry.
Bhavan Kaha. Who are you? And same way, we learned Bhavati. It's the same thing, equivalent of Bhavan, but for women.
Lady.
Bhavati ka, who are you? And in our homework, we wrote our names and sometimes our professions. Aham Vijay Meenanaha, Aham Adhyapakaha, Aham Yoga Shikshakaha, Aham Usha, Aham Vaidya, something like that. We wrote those kinds of responses. So Bhavan is you for a man, Bhavati is you for a woman. And the Bahuvachanam for Bhavan is Bhavantaha. So you all of you, when pointing to or referring to men. Same way, Bhavatyaha is Bahuvachanam of Bhavati. Bhavatyaha, all of you women. Clear so far?
Yes.
So let's see who's on my list here. Prashant Mahodaya. I wrote here Pullinge Ekavachane. What does that mean?
Pulling in singular. In singular. Pulling in singular.
In Pullinga in Ekavachana. Uttama. So Bhavan is you in Pullinga in Ekavachana. So that's Uttama. So hold on. So there is an order that I wrote down here. I think if you do it that way, it will be easy. Okay, can everybody see my screen?
Yes.
So let us read this. It will give us reading practice and also introduce the topic. Chaitra Mahodaya, please read the first line.
Putraha Amba Bhavati Kutra Gatavati Asit Bahu Vilambaha Jataha.
So the son is saying to the mother, "Oh mother, where did you go? It's become very late." Okay, so there are a lot of new words here. Don't worry about it. Our focus is only on the red words or the pink words. The rest of it, ignore them. Don't worry about it. Viraj Mahodaya, read the next line.
Mata Adya Avakasha Karanat Yanani Shigram Na Prapyate Sma Ataha Vilambaha.
Prapyante Sma. Yanani, so Prapyante. So mother is saying, today for some reason I could not find a vehicle. So she's probably talking about a bus or auto or whatever. And she's saying that's why I am late. Vijay Sundaram Mahodaya, read this. You are muted, Mahodaya.
Putraha Bhavati Sranta Pratiyate. Kim Dadani. Sayam Karvani Utha Pankam.
Panakam. Karavani Utha Panakam. So the son is saying, you look very tired. What can I give you? Shall I give you tea? Or shall I make tea? Or give you a cold? Panakam is a lemonade kind of a thing. Narayanan Mahodaya.
माता बहु गर्मः आसीत् पानकम् एव करोतु
अस्ति
अस्ति
घर्मः अस्ति it's very hard पानकम् एव करोतु make पानकं करोतु so the mother is telling the son do this do पानकं so करोतु. In the past we have seen forms like karoti karoni, right? So the new form that we are going to learn is karotu. So the mother is telling the son you make panakam. Vijay Menon Mahoday.
Yeah. Putrah bhavati vivranoti aham nirmami.
Bhavati vibrunotu. Vibrunotu means give me vivaranam dadatu. Give me the description.
Oh.
So vivaranam dadatu, when you combine, it becomes vibrunotu. So again, look at the ending of the word tu. Here also tu. Vibrunotu. So you give me. So in the first case, the mother is saying you do this to the son. In the second case, the son is saying you give me something. You give me the details. Shekhar Mahodaya. Shekhar Mahodaya on.
Mata mastu hameva karomi.
Mastu. Ma astu. We know astu. Ma astu means don't do it. Not needed. I will only do it. Don't do it. I will only do it. Just like any typical mother, when the children say I will do it, the mother will say no, don't worry, I will do it. Manjula Mahodaya.
पुत्रः सर्वदा भवती करोति एव अद्य अहं कर्तुम् इच्छामि.
कर्तुम् इच्छामि. सर्वदा भवती करोति एव. Always you only do it. Today I will do it, or I am interested in doing it. Okay. So ichchami, we saw this type of a word. Ichchami, I am interested, right? Karoti, we saw karoti means you do it, or normally you do it. Okay. Yeah. Next one is Meera Mahoday.
माता अस्तु तथैव भवतु.
Tathaiva bhavatu. Let it be so. Let it be that way only. Bhavatu. So karotu, vibrunotu, bhavatu. So bhavatu is let it be, or let it be so. Something like that. Madhuri Mahoday. This one.
पुत्रः शीघ्रं वदतु भवत्याः विवरणानुगुणम् अहं निर्मामि.
शीघ्रं, not शीघ्रं, शीघ्रं. शीघ्रं वदतु. So in the past we have seen words like vadati, vadami. What does it mean? Madhuri Mahodaya.
To tell, to speak.
Let Madhuri Mahodaya try.
Tell.
Tell. So in this case, vadatu means you tell me. So whenever you see this two ending, it is ekavachana and say you do it. So in the first case, you actually do the panakam. Vibrunotu, you give me the details. Bhavatu, let it be, you let it be. Vadatu, you speak. Hemanti Mahoday.
माता अस्तु प्रथमं चषकमितं शीतलं जलं स्वीकरोतु ततः पञ्चमस्मितां Sarkaram jale yojayatu.
Uttamam. Pancha chamasamitam. 5 teaspoons. So she is saying, okay, fine, you do it. Prathamam, first, chashaka. What is chashaka?
A glass.
A glass. So, in the glass or a glass full, Sheetalam jalam. Cold water.
Cold water. Cold water.
Swikarotu. So, take.
Okay, I'll take, yes.
So, mother is saying, you take it, you do it, you do the action of taking. So, take a glass and fill it with the cold water. Tataha pancha chamasamitam sharkaram jale yojayatu. So,
with 5 teaspoons sugar.
5 teaspoons, go ahead.
Yeah, so with 5 teaspoons of sugar in the, that's what it means. Yojayatu.
Yojayatu, you mix it, you add it. Jale, what is jale, Mahoday?
Water, in the water.
In the water. So the mother is saying, first you take a glass filled with cold water, and then you add yojayatu, you add 5 teaspoons of sugar. Nilesh Mahodaya.
Putraha agre kim karavani.
So the son is asking, next, what should I do?
What should I do? Yeah.
Let's ignore the ani ending. Let's only focus on the tu ending today.
But is it, Bhanumadya, is it karavani means what is to be done, right? Next, what is to be
okay. What is to be done?
Okay.
Bala Mahodaya.
Mata aduna jambiram kartayatu jale samyaktaya nishpidayatu.
Nishpidayatu. Aduna jambiram kartayatu jale samyaktaya nishpidayatu. Jambiram
is it salt or pepper?
Lemon.
Lemon, okay.
So she
kartayatu
says,
cut.
Kartayatu cut. We saw kartayati in the past. So this is the different form of that same word, kartayatu. You cut it. Jale.
And then you mix it carefully.
Samyak.
Properly. Well.
Jale in the water. Nishpidayatu.
You squeeze it.
Squeeze it. So you do it. Tu ending. Nishpidayatu. Dhanyawada. Reena Mahodaya.
What would samyak mean?
Kartayatu means you cut it.
Okay.
Prashant Mahodaya, you heard it out?
Yes, samyaktaya.
Samyaktaya means carefully.
Sometimes it's not also like samyak ahar. Is it like balanced? It's not balanced then.
Samyak means nicely, carefully. So,
okay.
Samyaktaya, with care.
Okay. Thank you.
Reena Mahodaya.
Yeah. Putra tata kim.
Read the last line also.
Idani panaka atra shigram anayatu. Adhuna ava panakam aswadayav.
Idanim panakam siddham boho. Atra shigram anayatu. Adhuna avam panakam aswadayava. Okay, so the son is asking what next. So the mother is saying, now the panakam is ready. Then atra is Here. Shigram, quickly. Anayatu. So we saw anayati, anayami. What do they mean?
Shigram is fast.
What does anayati or anayami that we studied in the past, what do they mean?
Is it to
Bring
take
it,
or
bring
carry?
it, bring it.
Nayati is to take.
Nayati is
Bring,
to take.
bring it.
Anayati is to bring.
Correct. Nayati is to carry or bring, carry or
What
take.
is, sorry, I didn't get one word.
To
bring.
Anayati means brings. Anayatu means you bring. Anayatu. So we are looking at the verb form where one person is instructing or telling or ordering or requesting the other person to do something. So we saw in the past anayati, saha anayati. So he brings. So we are saying here anayatu means you do it, you bring it. Clear? And the last line just means let us enjoy the drink. So
Atuna, Mahodaya, Atuna means?
Adhuna, now.
Now.
No. So for now, let us ignore the last line. We are only concerned about the words that have the tu ending. Okay. Anayatu, nishpidayatu, kartayatu, yojayatu, bhavatu, vadatu, swikarotu, etc. So that is one person telling the other person, you do something. Clear?
Yeah.
Let's look at some more examples. So, Ramu Mahodaya. So take either Bhavan or Bhavati and tell me what the first one means. Are you there, Mahodaya? Ramu Mahodaya? Okay, I don't see him. Bhavani Mahodaya.
Bhavan
Pathatu.
Bhavan Patatu.
What do you think it means? What is your guess?
You read.
You read. Bhavan is for a man. So you are telling a man, you read. If it was Bhavati Pathatu, if it was Bhavati Pathatu,
it's Strilinga.
Strilinga. You are telling a woman, you read.
You read, yeah.
Uttam. Ranjani Mahodaya. This one, the next one.
Yeah. Bhavan Vadatu.
What does it mean?
Vadatu is
Vadami, Vadati. We have seen those forms in the past. Speak.
Speak. Okay.
Speak. Vadatu means you speak.
You speak.
Ranjani Mahodaye, Bhavati Vadatu. If I say that, I'm saying Ranjani Mahodaye, you speak. Bhavati Vadatu. Is that clear, Mahodaye?
Yeah.
So you only do the next one also, Ranjani Mahodaye.
Okay. Bhavan Prushchatu.
Pruchchatu.
Pruchchatu. Pruchchatu. Pruchchatu.
Pruchchami. Pruchchati.
Ask.
Ranjani Mahodaye, Bhavati Pruchchatu. Which means, Ranjani Mahodaya, please ask. Ask. Pruchchatu. Sandeep Mahodaya.
Bhavan Pashyatu means you see.
You see. Bhavati Pashyatu means?
She, women, asking a woman to see.
Woman, to a woman you are saying, you see. Uttam. Usha Mahodaya.
Bhavan likatu. You write.
You write. Uttamam. Uttamam. So addressing a man.
Yes. Bhavati addressing a woman.
Uttamam. Prashant Mahodaya. Last one.
Yes. Bhavan gachatu. Bhavati gachatu.
Gachatu.
To go. You go.
You go.
Saying to the man, and then Bhavati gachatu is going to the female. Saying to the female that you go.
Bhavati gachatu means saying to a woman, you go. Pathatu, you read. Vadatu, you speak. Pruchhatu, you ask. Pashyatu, you see. Likhatu, you write. Gachatu, you go. And the Bahuvachana forms are very simple. Just add the an to the Ekavachana form. So, Pathatu, Pathantu. Vadatu, Vadantu. Pruchhatu, Pruchhantu. Chaitra Mahodaya. Do Pruchhantu.
Bhavantaha Pruchhantu.
What does that mean?
That means you all ask, and it's referring to Pullinga Bahuvachana.
Bhavatyaha Pruchhantu.
It's a Strilinga Bahuvachana. You all ask.
You are telling a group of women, you all ask. Uttama. Viraj Mahodaya, next.
Bhavantaha pashyantu. Bhavatyaha pashyantu. You all see. एक भवन्तः पुल्लिंग बहुवचन, भवत्यः स्त्रीलिंग बहुवचन.
उत्तम. Same way, likhantu and gachantu. Very simple. There is we are only going today. We are only focusing on the words that end with tu, and so their bahuvachana is antu. And the words, the basic verbs, the basic kriya pada are all the verbs all the kriya padas that we have learned in the past. Pathati, vadati, pruchhati, pashyati, etc. There is nothing new here. It's just that it's a different form. Instead of he writes or I am writing, we are saying you do it. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Any doubt? Any question? So on the next slide, there are many more words that are similar. I mean, the same tu and antu form, but different kriya padas that we learned in the past. This one also has a lot more, but what is of interest to us is this one. Here, we are looking at some special forms. These forms of kriya padas don't follow the regular pattern, tu and antu. They do something slightly different. So we saw karotu, kurvantu, not karontu, it is kurvantu. Hemanti Mahodaya, if it is Vartamana Kala, what would these words be?
Karoti, kurvanti.
Karoti, kurvanti. So same way, karotu, kurvantu. You do it and you all do it. Hemanti Mahodaya, continue. For shrunotu and shrunvantu?
Shrunoti, shrunvanti.
What
to
do they
listen.
mean?
Listen.
So here, what do they mean?
I'm listening and we are listening.
No. Shrunotu is ekavachana.
No.
You listen to one person. Shrunvantu, you listen to many people. Bahuvachana. So again, the forms are, it's not shrunotu and shrunontu, it is shrunotu and shrunvantu. We saw this with shrunoti, shrunomi also, right?
Right.
What were they? Shrunoti, shrunvanti.
I'm sorry?
Yeah. Shrunvanti in Vartamana Kala.
Right.
And shrunomi, what is the bahuvachana of shrunomi?
Shrunumaha.
Uttamam. Shrunumaha. So these are all some special Kriya Padas. They don't follow the normal pattern. So that's why we are calling them out so that you don't make a mistake, so that you can learn the correct form.
Mahadev, there is one question here. The third one, it says tadatu. Dadatu. But here the na doesn't come.
Na doesn't come. It's not dadantu or dadantu. Dadatu means you give to one person. Dadatu means you all give. You are addressing many people and say you all give. Dadatu. Bhavantaha dadatu. You all give. Or bhavatyaha dadatu. Addressing a group of women.
So here it's an exception.
These are all exceptions. Everything on this slide is an exception. They don't follow the standard rule, standard pattern. So my suggestion is please memorize these forms so that you won't make a mistake. Where did we stop? Who was the last person? Viraj Mahodaya was the last person. Okay, Vijay Sundaram Mahodaya. Chinotu, this one.
Chinotu, chinvantu.
Chinotu, chinvantu. It's not chinontu. It is chinvantu. Just like shrunotu, shrunvantu, chinotu, chinvantu.
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Vijay Sundara Mahodaya, do you know chinoti? Do you remember?
Chinoti.
We learned about chinoti.
Yeah.
Select. You select or you pick.
Okay.
So chinotu, you select, you pick. Chinvantu, you all pick.
Okay.
Shaknotu, shaknuvantu. You make it possible. Ekavachana, you make it possible. Bahuvachana. Shaknotu, shaknuvantu.
One question, Mohammed. Does Chunav come from Chinotu? Same root? Or?
I think so. I think so. Probably because you are picking a person in the elections, right? So most likely. Janatu, janantu. You know it. You all know it. So we saw janati, jananti. He knows, they know. Or janami, janimaha. So all these Kriya Padas have special forms in Vartamana Kala, in when talking about myself, when talking about others, and asking somebody to do something. So memorize it. Janatu, janantu. You learn or you know and you all know. Narayanan Mahodaya. Krinami, Krinati. We saw those forms. What do they mean? Based on that, what is Krinatu and Krinantu? What do you think?
Krinatu is you buy. Krinantu is you all buy.
Uttama. Krinatu, you buy. Krinantu, you all buy. Uttama. Meera Mahodaya. We saw Gruhnami, Gruhnati.
Grunhatu, grunhantu.
Gruhnatu, gruhnantu.
Grunatu, gruhnantu. No, to grab.
To grab, to take.
To take, to grab.
So you grab and you all grab.
You grab, you all grab.
So is that no, half no, Gruhan?
That's no.
Thank you. Dhanyawad.
Prapnotu, prapnuvantu. Acquire, you acquire, or you all acquire. And last one, roditu, rudantu. You cry, you all cry. Maybe I should have ended with hasatu, hasantu instead of roditu, rudantu. Astu. So there is nothing new here. The only thing is we saw a different way of using the same Kriya Pada, but this time to ask or request or to command somebody to do something. Any questions? Okay. If there are no questions, let us move on to the next topic. I think all software engineers will know this very well. Yadi, tarhi. I don't know if there are any software people. Yadi, Sandeep Mahodaya. Yadi, tarhi.
If then.
If then.
There's Excel also. Every Excel person will also.
I see. Yadi,
I know it, Bhanu Mahodaya.
So, yadi is if, tarhi means then. So, if something happens, then something else will happen. If this, then do this. Like that. So, yadi gruhakaryam asti, tarhi balakah pathati. So, if gruhakaryam asti. Whose turn is it? Madhuri Mahodaya. Yadi gruhakaryam asti.
What should I do?
Just without looking at the English translation, I was hoping you would try to understand the meaning or tell us the meaning.
Yadi gruhakaryam asti, tarhi balakah patati. If there is homework, then the boy reads.
Boy reads. Yadi gruhakaryam asti, if there is homework, tarhi, then the balaka reads, the boy reads. Yadi lekhani asti, tarhi balika likhati. If there is a pen, then the girl writes. Yadi bhojanam asti, tarhi aham khadami. If there is food, then I will eat. Then I eat. Very straightforward. So you take two sentences, you join them with yadi tarhi. If gruhakaryam asti, balakah pathati. When does the boy read? Only if there is a homework. Yadi balakah asti, tarhi balakah patati. Yadi gruhakaryam asti, tarhi balakah patati. Clear? Questions? Okay, let us do some abhyasa. Hemanti Mahodaya. First one.
Yadi dhyanam karomi, tarhi shantihi bhavati. If you meditate, then you feel peace.
If you are karomi.
Oh, if I meditate, then I feel peace.
Then I feel peace. Uttama. Nilesh Mahodaya. Second one.
Yadi vyayamam karomi, tarhi arogyam prapnomi. If I do exercise, then I'll get good health. Arogyam.
Prapnomi is I will get.
I'll get.
If I do exercise, I will get good health. Uttamam. Bala Mahodaya.
Yadi griha patam karomi, tarhi patam samyak avgachami. Avagachami. If I do my homework, then I will understand the lesson properly.
Uttamam. If I do my
Samyak
homework.
is chasing me today.
Oh, you got the Samyak before also, is it?
Yeah. Very Samyak.
Bhavan Samyak vadati.
Dhanyavadaha.
Reena Mahodaya. Reena Mahodaya. Okay, maybe.
Yes, fine.
Mahodaya, some UK, what do you mean?
Where Mahodaya? Samyak.
Samyak
That means well.
Well, okay.
Well or nicely or something like that. Go ahead, Reena Mahodaya.
यदि बालकाः सम्यक् पठन्ति तर्हि परीक्षाया उत्तीर्णन्ति. If the child reads, then he will pass.
Child or children? Balakaah.
Children. Balakaah. Balakaah. If the children read, then they'll pass the exam.
Then they will pass the exam. If the boys read well, then they will pass the exam.
Yes.
Ramu Mahodaya अस्ति वा? नास्ति. Bhavani Mahodaya.
यदि बालकः रोदति तर्हि क्षीरं ददातु.
रोदिति.
यदि बालकः रोदिति तर्हि क्षीरं ददातु. When the boy cries, then he gets he's given the milk.
We need to be careful. Dadatu. We just learned dadatu. What is dadatu? Only Bhavani Mahodaya.
He's given the milk.
Dadatu. Two ending.
You give the milk.
You give.
The milk.
And yadi is what, Mahodaya?
If the boy cries, then you give him the milk.
If the boy cries, then give him milk. Not when. Yada is when. Yadi is if. Dadatu means you give.
Crying baby gets the milk.
Is this clear? Any questions? Okay, let's do 5 more and then we'll stop because it's very straightforward. Ranjani Mahodaya.
Yadi jalam sichami tarhi vrukshah samyak vardati. If water
Sinchami is water. Sincha is to water. Sinchami is who is doing the action?
If I
me. No. Me is I always, right? So it's me. I.
Me is I. Yeah. So if I water properly, then the vrukshah, the tree, will grow well. If I water, then the tree will grow well. Sinchami. So any word that ends in me is I myself doing that action. Kavita Mahodaya, next one.
यदि विद्युत् नास्ति तर्हि दूरदर्शनं न चलति. If there is no electricity, then television will not be there.
Television will not run. Chalati will not run. So we need to be careful. We can't just say the English gist. We have to translate properly so we know the meanings correct. Sandeep Mahodaya. Hold on, Sandeep Mahodaya. Did I cover everybody? Did I miss anybody?
I missed.
Yes, you missed me.
You missed me also, Vijay.
Also.
Few of us got missed.
Yeah.
How come? My mistake. Sorry.
No problem.
Okay, Surendra, Manjula Mahodaya and Vijay Menon Mahodaya. Okay. Okay, there are 3 remaining. Excellent. Vijay Menon Mahodaya. Do this.
Yeah. Yadi udyanam gacchami tarhi pushpani pashyami. So if I go to the garden, then I will see flowers.
Uttamam. If I go to the garden, then I will see flower. Uttamam. Manjula Mahoday.
यदि उत्सवं भवति तर्हि नूतनं वस्त्रं धरन्तु. If I utsavam, any festival, I go to the function or festival, utsava.
Okay, let's take it one by one. Bhavati, it's not gacchati, right, or gacchami. There is no, it's not talking about me. There is no word that ends with me. So only if the word ends with me, it's talking about me. Right? Gacchami, I am going. Sinchami, I am watering. But there is no such word here. Bhavati, it is there.
Well, if the utsava is there,
if the utsava is there,
the new clothes will be worn.
Dharantu, tu ending. Tu. We just saw tu and antu.
You will wear a new clothes.
You wear, not you will, you wear. You are telling that other, many people, Bahuvachanam, dharantu. So you wear, if the festival is there, you all wear new clothes. Okay. Is that clear, Manjula Mahoday? If it's not clear, I will explain again.
Yes, Mahodaya.
Surendra Mahoday, do the last one, please.
यदि पुस्तकं पठति तर्हि ज्ञानवृद्धिः भवति. If one reads book, his knowledge will increase.
Uttama. If somebody reads a book, if he or she reads a book, then his or her knowledge will improve. So if I want to say this about myself, Manjula Mahoday, if I want to say this sentence about myself,
Yadi patami tari gnane vruddhim bhavami.
Bhavati, because here we are talking about growth of the knowledge. So bhavami means I become. So we are not saying I will become a doctor, I will become an engineer, something like that. If it was that, then bhavami makes sense. But here bhavati is referring to jnana vruddhi, increase of knowledge. So if I read the book, yadi pustakam pathami, tarhi jnana vruddhihi bhavati. Clear, Mahoday?
Yes, Mahoday. Thank you.
Anu Mahoday, in the ninth sentence, we have yadi utsavaha bhavati. Generally, we have seen second word be in object form, right? Utsavam bhavati. Is it any different form? Because
no. So forget about yadi. So that is, keep it aside for a minute. So how do you say festival is there? Utsava is a Pullinga Shabda.
Then we need to translate it into object form, right?
Here it is not an object, right? The festival itself is there. The festival exists. The festival is. The festival is present. Right? So instead of festival, think of I. Yadi aham bhavami. So I am there. So we are using the subject form, aham, I, right? Karta form. So here Utsava is the Karta. If the festival exists or if the festival is there, it falls on that day. So if the festival is doing the action, it is doing the action of Bhavati. So it will be Karta form only, not Karma form. Is that clear, Viraj Mahoday?
Yeah.
Any questions? Clear? Two very simple topics. Shall we do one more new topic? This is also easy. Let's do Bhavishyat Kala, future tense.
It was in 15th slide, I guess.
15. We didn't get the time to do it. Can you see my screen where it says Bhavishyat Kala?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, Uttamam. Who was the last person who spoke? Oh, I think we finished the round. Give me 1 second. Let me share a different document. Okay, screen. Can you see the two boys talking?
Yes.
Sandeep Mahodaya.
Yeah. Bhanu, one question, sorry, about the earlier one. So you said Agya and Prarthana both have the same form of two?
Both have the same form. It depends on the tone, or it depends on who you're talking to. If the mother is talking to a child, for example, she can command the child. Pathatu, na kridatu, don't play, read. Right? But if I'm talking to a peer or my elder, I will say Pathatu means it all depends on how I say it in my tone. Or sometimes I can even add Krupaya, please read. Sandeep Mahodaya, Krupaya Pathatu. Please read it. I can't say Pathatu. Right? So it's all in the tone, just like our Mathrubhasha. So here the instructions, the last word, what does it mean, Mahodaya?
Patantu, you all read, we all read. It's instructing us.
You all read. It's telling us all to read. Etat sambhashanam uchchaihi pathantu. You all read this conversation loudly.
Loudly, yeah.
So start, Mahodaya.
Dhiraha Suresha Namo Namaha.
Usha Mahodaya.
Suresha Namo Namaha. Dhira Adyakaha Vasaraha Asti.
Namo Namaha, we know that. Dhira, he is addressing that boy called Dhiraha. Adya Kaha Vasaraha Asti. What does it mean, Usha Mahodaya?
What day is it today?
Adya Kaha Vasara Asti. What is today? What day is it today? Uttamam. Prashant Mahodaya. Third sentence.
The third is
this one.
Aho Adya Shani Vasara Asti. Today is Saturday.
Today is Saturday. Uttamam. Chaitra Mahodaya.
Sureshah Aho Adya Shanivasarah Asti. Tada tu Shvaha Ravivasarah Bhavishyati. So today is Saturday. And
today is Saturday.
And tomorrow is Sunday.
Shvaha Ravivasarah Bhavishyati. It will be. It will be Sunday. It is. It's not. It is Sunday. It will be Sunday. Bhavishyati. So we saw the word bhavati in the past, right? Vartamana kala. Bhavati means it is, or it is. Bhavishyati means it will be. Viraj Mahodaya.
Dhiraha Am Adya Shanivasaraha Asti. Shvaha Ravivasaraha Bhavishyati. Then he's confirming it and saying it will be Sunday.
Today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. Tomorrow it will be Sunday. So if he wanted to say day after tomorrow, it will be Monday, what would he say?
Parashvaha.
Full sentence.
Parashvaha somavasaraha bhavishyati.
Bhavishyati. Uttama. Parashvaha somavasaraha bhavishyati. Bhavati bhavishyati. Who's next? Vijay Sundaram Mahodaya.
Yes.
This one.
Yeah. Sureshaha aduna aham vidyalayam gacchami padami.
Cha. That is cha.
Cha.
Yeah. What does this sentence mean, Mahodaya?
Aduna aham, now I am going to Vidyalaya.
Uttama.
And I am going to study there.
I am studying or I study. Pathami. So let's be careful now. We are introducing different types of verb forms. So we need to be very specific about what they mean. Pathami. I read or I am reading. I read. I go to the school and read.
But what does that cha will be the useful for?
Cha is and, right?
And so, also.
Okay.
So if there is no cha, what will it be? Adhuna aham vidyalayam gacchami pathami. It will be like that, right? So the cha is combining these two sentences. He's saying, I go to school and I read.
Okay.
Clear, Mahodaya?
Yeah.
Shekhar Mahodaya. Shekhar Mahodaya
on. Dhira Bhavan Shvaha Vidyalayam na Gamishyati Grihe eva Padishyati Evam Kalu
Gamishyati. So we saw gacchati, gacchami, vartamana kalam. Going, I am going. Gamishyati. Bhavan, what is Bhavan? We saw it. Okay, Shekhar Mahodaya, there is a, your voice is not coming clearly. Meera Mahodaya. Bhavan is?
You.
You.
Shvaha tomorrow. Vidyalayam na gamishyati. You will not go to school tomorrow.
You will not go to school tomorrow. He's talking about the future. So in the Vartamana Kala, we saw gacchati or gacchami. If it is about me, gacchami. If it is about somebody else, gacchati. So that is Vartamana Kala, present tense. If we want to talk about future, gamishyati. This is a special form. It's not gachishyati, it is gamishyati. We will come to that. Let's first finish this.
Grihe eva patishyati. I will read at home.
Patishyati. Is it me?
No, we patishyati. You read at home.
He's still talking Bhavan. He's still addressing him.
Yeah. Grihe eva patishyati. You study at home only.
You study at home. Evam khalu.
Evam khalu.
Is it not?
Is it not?
Okay. This is not important. Patishyati. You will read in the future. Right?
Yes.
So only if it ends in me, it is referring to myself, or maha, then it is referring to ourselves. So let us be very careful. Patishyati does not mean I am going to read. Patishyati means you are going to read in the future. Narayanan Mahodaya, last one.
Sureshaha am shvaha aham grihe patishyami sayankale mitraihi saha kridishyami.
Now the me form comes. So he's talking about.
Okay. Yes. Shvaha tomorrow. Aham grihe patishyami. I will study at home.
He's talking about himself here, me, because it's ending in me.
Plus aham is also there.
Aham is also there, but even if aham is not there, grihe patishyami means I will study. So whenever you find a word that ends in me, it is always going to refer to me. Only, always, no exception. Even if aham is not there, whether aham is there or not, any word that ends with me is always referring to me.
Grihe, so in the house. Sayankale, in the evening. Mitraihi, with my friends. Saha mitraihi, with my friends. Kridishyami, I will play.
I will play. So mitraihi saha is with friends. We have not learned this. Don't worry about it. The important part is the red one or the pink one. Kridishyami, I will play. Me, again, Kridishyami, I will play. So Meera Mahoday, if he's saying you play in the future. Tomorrow, what will it be?
Tomorrow you play will be Kridishyati.
Kridishyati. Bhavan Kridishyati.
Bhavan
Kridishyati.
So it is ending in me. So it's about myself. I'm talking about myself. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. We'll look at some more words. So in Vartamana Kala, we saw Pathati means reads, he or she reads. So in Bhavishyat Kala, future, Pathishyati, Ekavachana. Bahuvachanam is Pathanti. So Bahuvachanam is of Bhavishyat Kala is simple. Just add an. Patishyati, Patishyanti. So there is an easy way to remember if a word is in the Bhavishyat Kala. It always ends with Shya, and the word Bhavishyat also has Shya. So that's an easy way. Patishyati, Bhavishyat, Bhavishyat Kala, Patishyati, Vadishyati. That's an easy way of remembering. And if you know Ekavachana, Bahuvachana is easy. Just add an. Patishyati, Patishyanti, Vadishyati, Vadishyanti, Telishyati, Telishyanti. Clear? So let us look at few examples. Vijay Menon Mahodaya. Vadishyati, Vadishyanti. What do they mean?
Okay, the same one or the next one?
Vadishyati, Vadishyati.
Yeah, Vadishyati is speak or talk in future. I will talk.
I will.
Sorry. You will talk. And you all will talk.
You, he, they, whatever.
Anything other than
anybody
me.
Except me.
Okay.
Anybody except me. You, he, saha vadishyati. He will speak in the future. Saha te vadishyanti. They will speak in the future. Madhuri Mahoday.
Chalishyati, Chalishanti. Walk. Will walk.
He will walk. They will. He will walk. They will walk. Or she will walk. Many females will walk. Something like that. Hemanti Mahoday.
Davishyati, Davishyanti. You will run, they will run.
Dhavishyati, Ekavachanam. We are not. He will run.
He will run, they will run.
He will run, she will run, boy will run, girl will run, the horse will run. Dhavishyanti, they will run, the girls will run, the horses will run. It's talking about somebody else.
Right.
In the future. Nilesh Mahoday.
Tarishyati, Tarishyanti. Will swim. You will swim. And
not you. They.
Not you.
He.
Yeah, Tarishyati. Yeah, he will swim. Tarishyanti. They will all swim.
They will swim. Bala Mahoday. Last one.
Kridishyati, Kridishyanti. He will play, they will play.
He will play, she will play, the dog will play, the puppy will play, whatever.
Banu Mahodaya will play, and they all will play.
They all will play.
Dhanyawad.
Hold on, Bala Mahodaya.
Yeah.
If I want to say, I am playing, or
Kridishyami. And Kridishyamaha.
Kridishyamaha. Or, okay, we will come to that in a second. If you are going to tell somebody, you play, and you all play.
Kridishyatu.
Kridatu. Vartamana, sorry. No.
Vartamana Kridatu.
Kridatu. You play.
You take it from the first word, na? Kridatu.
Kridatu, Kridantu.
Kridatu and Kridantu.
Kridatu, Kridantu.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad. Ramu Mahoday.
Kadishyati, Kadishyanti. He will eat. They will eat.
He will eat, they will eat. He will eat, they will eat. Something like that. Uttama. So they all will, Ekavachanam will end in Shyati, Bahuvachanam will end in Shyanti. For somebody else. For somebody else. There are many more examples. But if it is for me, Khadishyami, right? Khadami, Vartamana Kalam, Khadishyami, future, Bhavishyat Kalam. Khadishyamaha, we will eat. Who's next? Bhavani Mahoday. Let's find an easier one. Let's learn the concept first. This one. Let's do this one first.
Archishyami, Archishyamaha.
Archana, do Archana.
He prays.
No. So I told you the general meaning. Archishyami.
I.
And Shya.
I will pray.
I will pray in the future. Archishyamaha.
They will pray.
We
will pray. We will pray.
Me is always about me. Maha is always about us.
Us.
Ranjani Mahoday.
Garjishami, Garjishamaha. Garjishami is about me.
Ekavachana is about Simha Garjana. Have you heard of that?
Yeah.
So Garjishyami means?
It's roaring.
So yes. Me.
I am roaring. Like
Shyami, Shya.
Oh, I will be roaring.
I will roar in the future. Garjishyamaha.
we will, us, right? We roar in the future.
We all will roar in the future. Me is me. Shyami is in the future. Maha is us. Shyamaha, we in the future for us.
Yeah, me is the plural of me is always us, right?
Plural of I is us. So me, Bahuvachanam will be Maha.
Yes.
Always, always. Kavita Mahoday.
Arjishyami. Arjishyamaha. Is it earn? I earn.
I will earn in the future.
I will earn.
And
we will earn.
We will earn. So me is about myself. Shya, when you see the Shya, it's about the future. Bhavishyat Kala. Is this clear or have I confused everybody?
No, clear.
If there are doubts, don't hesitate to ask. I don't mind explaining again. Surendra Mahodaya, last one.
Kujishyami, Kujishyamaha. What is the meaning of Kujishya?
Kujana is cooing, like a koel, what it does.
Oh, okay. I will be cooing. And we all will be cooing.
In the future. Sometime
in the future.
Uttama. Okay. And just like we saw before, there are exceptions. There are special forms. So in Vartamana Kala, writing is likhati, he writes, likhanti, they write. But in Bhavishyat Kala, it is not likhishyati and likhishyanti, but they become lekhishyati and lekhishyanti. Again, just like before, at this level, we just have to memorize the special forms. Luckily, there are only like handful of special forms, like 8 to 10 special forms. And luckily for us, the same Kriya Pada, the same verb will always take special forms in Vartamana Kala, Bhavishyat Kala, in Agnya Prarthana and other forms. To go, Gacchati, Gacchanti, he goes, they are going. But in Bhavishyat Kala, they don't become Gachishyati and Gachishyanti, they become Gamishyati and Gamishyanti. Same way, Namati, Namanti, pray, he prays, they pray, they become Namsyati, he will pray in the future, Namsyanti, they will pray in the future. Okay. That we may not encounter much, but this we will encounter many, many times. Pashyati, Pashyanti. He sees or she sees, they see, Pashyanti. The Bhavishyat Kala will not be Pashishyati and Pashishyanti, it will be Drakshyati and Drakshyanti.
Word fully changed.
Okay. Word completely changed. I agree. Okay. Again, there is nothing for us to do except memorize them. Same way, Dadati, we saw this word in the future, in the past also. Dadati, Dadati, Vartamana Kala, Bhavishyat Kala, Dasyati, Dasyanti. The one good thing is the Bahuvachana form will always have an an. If you add an to Ekavachana, you will get the Bahuvachana form. So you just have to remember the Ekavachana form of the special Kriya Pada. And lastly, Pibati, Pibanti, he drinks, she drinks, they drink. but in Bhavishyat Kala, they become Pasyati and Pasyanti. Okay. So we will do a lot more exercises in the next class, just to revise and practice. So if it feels overwhelming, don't be overwhelmed. We will do a lot of practice until this all becomes second nature to us. So my request is don't feel overwhelmed.
Bhanu Mahodaya, one quick question. Like in Hindi, we have tum and aap. In Sanskrit, do we have that, or is it like English, just you?
No. In Sanskritam we have Bhavan and Bhavati is equivalent to aap. Not exactly, but for all practical purposes. And Tvam is equivalent to tum.
Okay.
But
we have not learned that form, right? We have not we have not gone through that, right?
We have not learned Tvam. We will learn it much later. Because for the most part, we will be using Bhavan, Bhavati only.
Okay.
Any questions on what we have learned today?
I have one question.
Yes,
so,
Madhuri.
If I want to say, I am going to school and I will learn, or I will read also. So I will say, Aham Vidyalayam Gachami. Then can I say Patishami Cha?
Once I go to school, in the future, I will read. Patishyami cha is fine, or Pathami cha is also fine.
If I'm using two forms of verb, then I can also connect them.
Why not? Just like Hindi or English or Kannada or whatever, Telugu. I am going now, and once I reach there, in the future, 1 hour from now, 2 hours from now, I will read. Aham gacchami. I am going now. Eka ghanta anantaram patishyami. 1 hour later, I will read. So yeah, it is perfectly fine.
Can we use cha there?
Cha. Because you are joining two different sentences.
Thank you.
Patishyami api. You can use api also. I will read also. We will do abhyas of all these things in the next class. Don't worry about it. So we will pause on the instruction now. Ranjani Mahodaya and Manjula Mahodaya, they are there. So they want to present a conversation that Kavita Mahodaya has written. Let us see. Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, Manjula Mahodaya and Ranjani Mahodaya, please go ahead. I don't know who picked which part.
Namaste Mahodaya. I will be Sumita.
Go ahead, please.
Rama Bhavati Kutra Gachati.
Aham Uddanam Gachami.
Udyanam.
Yanam Gachami.
Udyanam Kutra Asti.
Mama Gruhasya Samipe Ekam Uddanam Udyanam Asti.
Okay. Before you read the next, before you continue, Manjula Mahodaya, can you explain what you read? Meaning.
Kutra Gachati. Where are you going, Rama?
And Ranjani Mahodaya, next one.
Yeah. Aham is me. I'm going to the garden.
So that is why tense in me, gachami, because I am going. Manjula Mahodaya.
The garden, where is the garden?
Udyanam kutra asti, where is the garden? Ranjini Mahodaya.
Mama is me. Grihasya, so close to my house. Samipe ek udyanam asti. So there is a garden close to my house.
We have not seen Gruhasya, this form before. We will see it in the next step. Basically, it means near my house. Continue, Manjula.
Kim asti?
Tatra?
No, hold on. Let Manjula Mahoday please explain this.
Tatra, in that.
There, Tatra is there, right?
Where is Kim asti? Kim is.
Tatra there, Kim asti. What is there?
There.
What is there?
Tatra Badvaha Vrikshaha Bahava Vrikshaha Santi, right? Santi. Vriksheshu Bahavaha Kagaha Vasanti. There is
Bahava is many.
Okay. Bahava is many. Okay, many trees.
Santi, they are there.
They are there, yeah. Santi, there are trees there. Vriksheshu Vriksheshu is in the trees.
In the trees or on the trees?
Yeah, in the trees.
Bahavaha, many.
Bahavaha is, there are many. Kagaha Vasanti. There is, Vasanti is the house, right?
That's one meaning. Khagaha, birds are there. Or
birds
live there.
Live there. Okay. Vasanti is
resides.
Stay on.
Resides.
Reside.
Bhavati kandukam anayato. Udyane radha lata cha santi. Vayam sarve militva kridamaha. Bhavati kandukam is ball. To bring the ball.
No, two. We saw two today.
Yeah.
Whenever two at the end of a kriya is Ajna Prarthana. You bring.
Yeah. Bhavati, you bring the kandukam ball. Udyan.
Sumita is saying to Rama, you bring the ball.
You bring the ball. Udhyane, in the garden. Lata cha santi. Radha and Lata are there.
Uttamam.
Vayam sarve militva kridamaha. We all, Vayam, all of us sarve. Vayam is?
We. Sarve all. We all.
Militva, together kridamaha. Will play.
Militva, we didn't see this form of word. Militva, we will see it in the future. But after or together, being together, Kridamaha, Bahuvachanam. Vayam, so it will be Maha. Vayam Kridamaha.
Yes.
Uttamam. Any doubts on this conversation, Sambhashana? Very nice job, Kavita.
One question, Banu Mahodaya. Kagaha is many birds.
Correct. Many birds.
Kagaha.
Khagaha.
Vasanti is Bahuvachan.
Vasanti, because it is Khagaha, it will be Vasanti. If it was Khagaha, Vasati. Khagaha, Vasanti. Kavita Mahodaya.
Kagaha. I hunted in the dictionary.
Uttamam Kavita Mahodaya, well done. We will come, I think we are past our time, so we will come to your that essay next time. If anybody else wants to write such Sambhashana or want to play it with any of your other classmates, please do it. This is the only way to get experience. Okay, if you can all indulge in 2 more minutes, today is a special occasion. Ramu Mahodaya is going to talk about it. Today is Vasanta Panchami and also Saraswati Puja.
Sorry, I didn't prepare it.
Whatever you can tell.
No problem. No, it's okay. Everyone knows about it. There's nothing special to talk about it. It's about Saraswati's Puja. Sorry.
Dhanyawad. No problem. So today is Vasanta Panchami and also Saraswati Puja. So let us make a promise to ourselves. This is a good day to start something new. So let us make a promise to start speaking in Sanskrit. So we have been reading and writing. Let us speak in Sanskrit.
Aham Sanskrit vadami.
Sanskrite vadatu. Samyak. Okay. Sorry for taking 5 more minutes of your time. Let us pause here. Chaitra Mahodaya, do the Mangala Sloka.
I have one input on Saraswati Puja.
Please.
Vasanta Panchami is the day when Veda Vyasa got the blessings of Ma Saraswati at Badrinath. Okay, and he proceeded in the classification of the Vedas. The story is that Vyasa did tapasya of Ma Saraswati. She told him to plant a Badri seed into the soil, and when the tree would grow from it and a Badri fruit would fall over him from the tree, then he would know it is her blessing. He did as he was told to do so, and the Badri fruit fell on him on the day of Vasanta Panchami. This is also one of the reasons why Badri, it's called Kool in Bengali, is not consumed before offering it to goddesses Saraswati. Because of this Badri fruit is also called Badarayana. This is one insight.
Good to know. Dhanyawad Mahodaya. Astu. Chaitra Mahodaya, do the Mangala Slokam. Let us all mute ourselves.
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kasche Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha. Sarve dhanyavadaha.
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 Dhanyavadaha and Shubharatri.